Okay, guys. Let's say you're working and then you lost your you're working and then you lost your file and see your drawing is DWG1 and you don't know what to do. This drawing I just recovered it. So what you have to do, you go here, options, file, auto file locations. Click on it, copy, come here, PC, this PC, you paste, you enter. So you look for DW1. So DW1.sv $sign. So you can copy this. You go to your desktop. You create a folder, or you can paste it on your desktop anyhow you want it. And then you paste. You click again, and then just change this extension to DWG, and it's going to change. And when you double click it, here is the drawing. Here's the drawing, here you can see drawing 1 underscore this, and then you can save as now. So I think this is very educative. Just hit the like button. Anything you want, just give me a call. Just give me a message and I'm gonna help you.